So, in this class, we are going to continue our worksheet. In the last class, we already done some questions. The answer of the question number 1 is A. Okay. The answer for the question number 2 is data. Answer for the question number 3 is text. B. Answer number 4. Question number 4 answer is poetry. Poetry. And the answer of question number 5 is special. A. Okay. Now we are moving towards the sixth one. The question number 6 is on the screen. What does question number 6 is saying? The question number 6 is saying that what is the longest key? What is the longest key of keyboard? Which key is the longest key? What do you think, by the way? Which key is the longest key? We normally use that key to give space. Yes, any one of you? Okay, that's good. So, yes, Ahmed Jibril, can you tell us the spelling of space bar?
SPACE and then space BAR.
Excellent, that's good. That's good, Ahmed Jibril. So, Ahmed Jibril, Ammar Khalid, Anas Al Sayyed, Riyad Khalid, all these guys send the correct answer. Anas, you send the answer, but kindly check the spelling, please. Okay, so the longest key of the keyboard is the space bar. It's space bar. Okay, so let me make it prominent so that it will look clearly. Now moving towards the question number 7. The question number 7 is on the screen. There are dash keys on the keyboard. There are dash keys of enter on the keyboard. So how many enter keys are there on the keyboard? So there are two enter keys available on the keyboard. So 2 is the right answer. 2 is the right answer. 2 is the right answer. Okay, you can write it in this way. So there are two enter keys on the keyboard. Okay. So question number 8. The question number 8 is telling us that there are two dash keys on the keyboard. So on the question number 8, there are two caps lock keys, there are two space bar keys, or there are two shift keys. What do you think? A, B, or C? Yes, Anas Al Sayed. What is the answer?
Yes, sir, it's shift.
Okay, can you read the spelling of shift, please?
Okay, SHIFT.
Okay, that's good. So Anas Al Sayed send the answer and also read the spelling. That's good. Okay, so the answer for the question number 8 is shift. There are two shift keys available on the keyboard. One is on the left side, another one is on the right side on the keyboard. So now the answer for the question number 8 is shift. Answer for the question number 8 is shift. Moving towards the next one, the next question is now on the screen. Enter key is used to dash data in computer. Enter key is used to dash data in computer. What data? So it's a blank. It's a blank. Okay. So Ahmad Jibril, Ammar Khalid, Iyad. Three guys only give the answer. Yes, Ammar. What is the answer?
Yes, sir. Enter key is used to enter data in computer.
Good. Can you tell us a spelling of enter?
Enter.
Enter. Okay, that's good. So it's a enter. That's good. So Ammar told us about the answer. Anas Al Sayyed, Firas Suleiman, Iyad. All these guys sent the correct answer, including Hamza. Hamza also sent the correct answer. That's good. Let me write the answer. Okay. So the answer is enter. Now, the answer for the question number 9. The answer for the question number 9 is enter. Now, moving towards the next one. What is the next question and what does next question is saying? The question number 10 is on the screen. The question number 10 is saying us that space bar is used to insert dash between words. It is used to insert what? Letter, number, or what? Okay. So only two students sent the answer, Ammar Khalid and Ahmed Jibril. And Hamza. Hamza, kindly check the spelling. The pronunciation of that word is correct, but kindly check the spelling. So, Jihad Muhammad, Anas Al Sayyed. Anas Al Sayyed, kindly check the spelling. Ahmad Muhammad, Hamza, Ahmad Jibril, and Ammar Khalid. All these guys sent the correct answer. Okay. Yes, Ahmad Muhammad. What is the answer?
The answer is space. Sir, I have a question.
First, tell me the spelling of space.
Okay. SBACE.
Can you repeat it, please?
SBACE.
Okay. So, spaces insert between the words. The answer for the question number 11 is all of them. Why? Because the backspace key is used to delete or to remove or to erase. Means deletion, erasing, or removal. All can be done by the backspace key. Okay. So moving towards the next question. The question number 12 is now on the screen. What does question number 12 is saying? Dash key is used to type capital letter. Which key we will use? Okay. We know that one key is a caps lock. But if you see in the option, there is no caps lock option. So now, which key we will use to type the capital letter? With the help of which key? Okay, that's nice. So only three students giving the answers correctly and fastly. What about the others? Three or four students giving the answers. Like Ahmad Jibril, Ayat Khalid, Ammar. What about the others? Ahmad Muhammad also giving the correct answers in a fast way. Good. Yes, very nice, Al Humam. Ahmad Awad, excellent. Karim Muhammad, good. Hamza,
Yes.
very nice. Yes, Karim, what is the answer?
Shift.
Okay. So, can you read the spelling of shift?
Okay. SHIFT.
Okay, that's good.
SHIFT.
That's good.
Shift.
Excellent, Karim. Okay, so Karim told us the spelling of shift, including him, Jihad, Hamza, Iham, All these students also send the correct answer. Eham, kindly check the spelling, please. So the correct answer is shift. How we can type with the help of shift in the capital form? For example, if you press the shift key and then you press A and your caps lock is off. So if your caps lock is off, press the shift key and press any key. That key will be typed in a capital letter. That letter will be typed in a capital letter. If you release the shift key and the caps lock is off, now the number, now all the letters will be shown in a small letters. Capital letters, we also say one difficult word for the capital letter. We say the uppercase letter. Uppercase means capital letter, lowercase means small letters. But we can use the capital letter. Okay. So answer for the question number 12 is shift. Moving towards the next one. The next question is now on the screen. The standard keyboard has dash keys. How many keys standard keyboard has? 104, 114 or 108? Okay. I'm waiting for the answers. That's good. Very nice, Hamza. Ahmad Jibril, Jad Mohammed, Al Humam, Yad Khalid, Hamza. Hamza, kindly check your answer, please. Anas Al Sayyed. That's nice. Okay, yes. Al Humam, how many keys are there on the keyboard?
Keys. 104.
It's 104.
Four.
104. That's good. That's very nice. Kareem Nasir and Kareem Mohammed both give the correct answer, and Al Humam told us about the right answer. It's a 104. The names which I took, all these guys sent the correct answer. It's 104 keys. It's a standard. It's a standard. Some keyboards has more keys than that. For example, if you purchase the gaming keyboard, it has sometimes more than 120 keys, because sometimes they put the volume key, forward key, backward key. So they add the different keys. Those are the gaming or the special keyboards which are used for some specific purposes. Okay, but the standard keyboard has 104 keys. Now question number 14 is on the screen. What does question number 14 is saying to us? Dash is a pointing device. Dash is a pointing device. Keyboard or mouse? Okay, that's nice. Ahmad Muhammad, Ahmad Jibril, Jihad Muhammad, Ammar, Kareem Muhammad, Ayad, Anas Al Sayyed. Okay, Ayad. Ayad, are you listening to me?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Can you
sir.
can you
Yes,
tell
sir.
the answer? What is the
The
answer of
114, 14, a second 14, quarter 14.
yes?
As is mouse.
Mouse. Can
Mouse.
you read the spelling of mouse?
Mouse. Mouse.
That's good. Everybody listen that thing. Ayad, once again tell the spelling to the class.
Mouse. Mouse.
Excellent. That's good, Ayad. You said the spelling very confidently. That's great. Good. Very nice. Okay. So the right answer for the question number 14 is mouse. The right answer for the question number 14 is mouse. Ayad Ghalib told us the spelling and also told us the answer, including Ayad. All those names which I took, they also give the correct answers. Okay. So, question number 15. Question number 15 is a true false. Mouse is used to point at words or icons on screen and select them. So if you see in the previous question in the 14, mouse is a pointing device. So in this we are asking, mouse is used to point. So pointing device normally points at words or icons on screen and select them. So what do you think? It's a true or false? See, we right now done this one. Mouse is a pointing device and the pointing device will do what? Pointing device will do what? Okay, if you pick that hint, you will give the answer easily. If you pick that hint, you will give the answer easily. Hamza Walid. Hamza Walid, are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell us a answer for question number 15? Is it true or false? Hamza Walid, are you there?
True.
It's true. That's good. So Hamza Walid told us that it's true. Yes, it's true. So the mouse is a pointing device, and the duty of a pointing device is to point out. And they are saying the mouse is used to point at words. Yes. For example, if you see I am using my mouse to move that red arrow to point out the words that where we are reading. So mouse is basically used for that. Okay. Now the answer is true. Let me write the answer and then I will take the name of the students who sent the correct answer. First, let me write the answer. The answer is true. Okay, the answer is true. Okay, who sent the answer? It's Ammar Khalid, Ayad, Al Humam, Kareem, Anas, Jihad, Ahmad Jibrail, Ahmad Muhammad, Hamza, and Jihad. There are two Jihad in the class. One is Jihad, Jihad Muhammad, and the other one is Jihad. So there are two Jihad in the class. Ahmad Usama. Yes, Ahmad Usama. Oh yes, Ahmad Usama also sent the correct answer. That's good. So Hamza, Ahmad Usama, Ahmad Jibril, Jihad, Jihad, both all these guys sent the correct answer in the chat. Okay. Now, question number 16 is on the screen. What does question number 16 is saying? Question number 16 is saying that, so question 16 is saying with the help of mouse, we can move dash on cursor. With the help of mouse, we can move dash on screen. What do we move on screen? Song, video, or cursor? Song, video, or cursor? Which thing we will move? So till now, Ahmad Muhammad, Anas Al Sayyad, Ahmad Jibril. Only three students give the correct answer. What about the others? See, we also discussed that thing that there is a white arrow on the screen. We move. Okay, but we can also move the thing, a flashing line. What do we call that flashing line? Abdullah Al Jalum, that's good. Yes, Abdullah. What is the answer of this question?
Cursor.
Cursor. Good. Can you read the spelling of cursor, Abdullah?
Yeah, yeah. Curcor.
No, kindly see this one. CUR is correct. What about the next word? See the word, see the letter.
No. Cursor.
That's good. It's a cursor. Very good, Abdullah Al Jalum.
Yeah,
Excellent. That's good.
thank you, sir.
So, including Abdullah, the names which I took, they sent the correct answer. And Anas, Al Humam, Ahmad Awad, Hamza Walid, all these guys sent the correct answer in the chat. Okay, so the right answer is cursor. The right answer is cursor. Moving towards the next one. Okay. So question number 17. We are moving towards the question 17. Question number 17 is telling us that we can select an icon by dash clicking the left button. Okay, this one is a tricky one. We can select we can select an icon. So we have to select an icon by single click, double click, or triple click. What do you think? So two students sent the correct answer. What about the others? Ammar Khalid, Ahmad Jibrail, Ahmad Muhammad. Okay. Okay. So including them, Hamza, Waleed, and Hamza. There are two Hamza in the class right now. Hamza, Waleed, and Hamza. Both give the correct answer. Good. Ahmad Awal, Anas, Jihad, Kareem, Ayad. All these guys send the correct answer. Let's see. Ahmad Usama. Are you listening to me, Ahmad Usama?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ahmad Usama. What is the answer?
We can select an icon by double clicking the left button.
Yes, that's good. Can you read the spelling of double?
Double Double.
Okay, so it's a double. It's a double. Okay, it's a double click. Why we are writing the double click? Because on the page number 25, if you see on the page number 25, the second line of the paragraph, the second line of the paragraph is saying we can select an object or icon by double clicking the left button. It's written on the book on the page number 25. So the answer is double. Now, moving towards the next one. What is the next question is saying? The question number 18 is on the screen. Dash means dash means pressing and holding the left mouse button over an icon while moving the mouse. What does that mean? For example, we move our mouse. Our mouse, the arrow, the white arrow is on the icon, and we press the mouse button, left mouse button. And while pressing the left mouse button, we are moving the mouse. What do we call it? What do we call it? Again, listen this thing. For example, I move my mouse. There is a small icon on the screen, and I click by pressing the left mouse button, and I press the click. I didn't release the button. And when I click on the icon and I press the left mouse button, now I am moving my mouse on the table and the left button is still pressed. So, what do we call that thing? We call it a dragging, we call it a moving, we call it a deleting. What do we call it? Only two students give the answer till now. It's Ahmad Jibrail and Jihad Muhammad. That's good, Ammar, Anas, and Ayad. Kareem Muhammad, that's good.
Yes, sir. Why you open the mic
Yes,
for me?
Jihad. What is the answer, Jihad?
It is a dragging.
Dragging. Can you read the
Dragging
sentence with the
means
answer?
the answer is a dragging.
Dragging. Can you read the answer with the complete sentence?
Yes, yes. Dragging means pressing and hold the left mouse button over an icon while moving the mouse.
Oh, that's
It's
good.
called dragging.
Jihad, that's great. Okay. So, Jihad told us about the answer. That's good. And including Jihad, we have more students. It's Hamza, also send the correct answer. The correct answer is dragging. Okay, so let me select it. Everybody focus the word dragging. The spelling of dragging. Yes, Kareem Nasir and Kareem Mohammed both give the correct answer. It's dragging, Dragging. It's Dragg, or we can say Dragging. It's a dragging. So answer of question number 18 is dragging. Moving towards the next one. The question number next is coming on the screen. Question number 19. Enter key is a dash key, alphabet key, special key, or a number key. Which key? Enter key is a dash key. Enter key is a dash key. Which key is that? Enter key is a alphabet key, special key, or a number key. Yes, Hamza. Can you tell me the answer for this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please. What is the answer?
Enter key is a special key.
Oh, that's good. So, can you read the spelling of special?
SPECIAL.
That's good.
Special.
That's good. So, Hamza told us about the answer. It's a special key. And Hamza, Ahmad Jibrail, Kareem Nasir, Ayad, Anas, Jihad. All these guys sent the correct answer in the chat. So, special key. Enter key is the special key. Moving towards the next one. The next question is coming on the screen. What does next question is saying? Question number 20. An image of a computer command or a function is an icon or pointer. Image means a picture. Image means a picture. An picture or a image of a computer command or function is called an icon or pointer. It's very easy. We already done that question in the book also. Okay, it's very easy. By the way, all questions are from the book, but we done that question earlier also. So, Jihad Al Sayyed, Ahmad Jibrail, Hamza Walid, Ammar Khalid, Ayad Khalid, Eham. Eham, are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer, Eham, for question number 20?
An image of a computer command or a function is an pointer.
Image means picture.
Oh, icon.
Icon. That's good. You pick the hint correctly. That's good, Eham. Image is a picture. So icon is a small picture. Pointer is just a arrow. Pointer is just a arrow. So
Just
icon is the
arrow.
correct answer. Can you read the spelling of icon, Eham?
ICON.
That's
Icon.
good. That's good. So Eham, read the spelling of icon. Jihad, Anas, Abdul Aziz, all these guys also send the correct answer, including Hamza. So the answer for the question number 20 is icon. So there is an assignment waiting for you in the class light. Everybody open that assignment. We will continue that worksheet in the next class. Because the time of the period is finished, we will meet in the next class, inshallah.